Hi friends, today we will be discussing about the Dynamics user group sessions and forums. So for many of you who does not know what is DUG and what are the avenues it offers, and so in this video we will discuss in detail about especially the DUG meetups. We recently started the DUG meetup sessions in India as well, which is very IST time zone friendly focused product crew discussions. So if you are a working professional, especially using Dynamics 365 or Power Platform, then I'll strongly recommend you to watch this video until then and start registering as a member for DUG user group sessions in India as well. So with that note, let's quickly jump into today's topic. So let's start with a brief introduction of the DUG. So DUG is basically Dynamics User Group, which we shortly refer to as DUG, and is a user and partner community independent from Microsoft. So this is completely a community-driven workshop sessions and forums and meetups, which independently works from Microsoft and focused especially for the professionals who are using or practicing Dynamics 365 or Power Platform. And this is an avenue for those professionals to kind of engage, build the community, and of course you can start empowering or educating your own knowledge. So that's a briefing for DUG user group sessions. And to talk more about DUG, I think DUG is something which was founded in 1995, and it has like 47k plus community members, and everything is available at free for you. So you basically need to just log in and just be part of any of the DUG group, and based on your own geography. Right now we just recently started these DUG group based out of in India as well. And I'll quickly kind of cover if you wanted to kind of understand how do you register for India group sessions. So talking furthermore in detail about DUG, and of course the DUG member, once you become a DUG member, you get access to the DUG forums. These are like free online open forums, discussions where you will be able to participate. And there are DUG conferences which happens across various geographies, and you can kind of participate those sessions and understand directly from some of the product crew itself. And today we will discuss in detail about the DUG meetup, because DUG meetup are primarily these sessions which are planned directly from the Dynamics product crew team, and you'll get an opportunity to kind of understand about the product, what's new or changed, what's in the roadmap, and it's an open platform for you to ask various questions as well. And of course the DUG also offers a YouTube channel, which primarily I'll just quickly touch upon. I'll quickly navigate back to the DUG user group webpage. So this is the Dynamics user group webpage, and you can see the various forums what DUG offers, and you can join for free. So you can just log in and then you can be a part of this Dynamics user group. And if you quickly go to the menu, and I think it also offers the events calendar, so at any point in time you can understand what are the various events planned across various geographies, and you can also start participating in those events. Even some of you have reached out in terms of what are those Dynamics user groups or the platforms which they can follow in order to understand various events which happen. So this is a right platform, I would say. And so we will discuss in detail about this local meetups. So these are basically the local user groups. So the moment if you click on find a local user group, you will be able to navigate into a map view kind of view, along with the geopolitical points where you can understand where these DUG group exist. You can see predominantly there are DUG groups available in the United States and in North America, and also in the Europe region. Right now we just recently started the Dynamics DUG group in India as well. So if you are not yet a member of the Dynamics user group in India, just feel free to kind of log in, and then the moment you log in you will be requested, there will be a button called join this group. Just hit this button and be part of these Dynamics group sessions, which happens based out of India as well. And at any point in time you can track the events, and what are the upcoming events which we have, and if there are any other similar events which you wanted to kind of understand, you can join those events as well. So I'll strongly recommend you to join these groups and try to understand what are the latest updates, and you can have direct interaction with the product crew itself. Not only that, I think the Doug also offers an YouTube channel. Like I already opened this YouTube channel, so this is the YouTube page. I think the Doug user team, the admin, already made like almost 949 videos, and you can leverage most of these. These are some useful contents related to the Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. So you should leverage these information as well, which is already available in the YouTube at free of cost, that's for sure. So coming back to our deck, I think we were discussing about the various forums, and especially talking about the Doug meetups. So these meetups are primarily the focused group sessions which are planned for the Dynamics professionals who are using Dynamics 365, and this is primarily organized across various local geographies. So we'll try to understand what are those local user groups, and you can start building your network. And most importantly, these are like time zone friendly, because right now the Doug group what we have in India, it's primarily the sessions are scheduled based on IST friendly zones. So you will be able to start joining those sessions, and you can be part of those sessions, understand directly from the product crew. So that brings us to the third point, like where you get an opportunity to directly interact with the product crew, and it's an avenue for you to raise the right questions and get that clarified, and with respect to the topics which were discussed during these meetup sessions. And also, not only that, you are always staying up to date in terms of what's new or changed in the product, and you will be able to kind of champion in your own org with respect to the Dynamics 365 offerings. So now the question is, like we discussed about why to register, now how to register. So I'll also share the link for registering into the Dynamics India group in this video's description. Make sure that you are joining as a member for these groups. And so let me go back. That's what we have just discussed. So this Doug meetup of India, I'll just share this link in this video's description. You can start by logging into this page, and you can join this group as well, and be part of the dynamic meetups in India, and you will be regularly notified whenever any sessions scheduled for the same. So yeah, I think that kind of brings us to end of this video. Make sure that you're kind of subscribing to the Doug user group sessions in India, and I'll be happy to connect with you during those Doug interactive sessions. See you soon. Thank you for watching this video.